everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change password in Roblox. So if you wanna change your password in Roblox but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to change the password in Roblox. So to get started, first of all, open Roblox application or official website. Here I'm into the application, and at the top of the left corner you can see user setting option. Click on it and click on settings. Once you do that, here you can see password section, and right there is editing section. Click on it. Once you do that, add your current password, new password, and confirm a new password and click on update option, and that will successfully change your Roblox password. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.